Hey everyone, I'm Cathrine and I'm currently slightly obsessed with Azure Data Factory. I love it so much that I could talk about it for a whole day. And funny enough, I will. I am super excited to be presenting my A Day Full of Azure Data Factory training day at SQLBits 2020. So if you want to learn more Azure Data Factory this year, I hope that you can join me on Tuesday, March 31st at the Excel in London. We're going to start completely from scratch and cover the fundamentals. What is Azure Data Factory? When is it the right tool of choice? And how does it work? To make sure that you get started on the right track, we'll cover some of the important things like source control, security, and pricing. Then we're going to move over to some fun bits. We're going to build out a dynamic and metadata-driven solution for copying data between on-premises and cloud data stores. Then we're going to set up things like alerting, logging, and monitoring, and also look at how you can use Azure DevOps for automating your deployments. We're going to look at the new no-code ETL features and compare and contrast mapping data flows and wrangling data flows. And finally, if your company has already invested heavily in SSIS and maybe even BIML, don't panic. We're going to look at how you can lift and shift your projects to modernize your solutions while retaining those investments you've already made. It's going to be a fantastic day and I'm very excited. So if you want to join me, make sure that you stay for the entire week until the end of Saturday, April 4th. That means that you can also get another training day and 3 days of general sessions in. And you don't want to miss the great party on Friday night. It's going to be fantastic. And this year's theme is going to be the greatest data show. I'm super excited and I hope that you can join me at the Excel in London from March 31st to April 4th at SQLBits 2020. See you there.